Hello everyone, welcome back with the 3 Stars Sudoku, and I expect that this one will be a tough one because there are only 4 Sudokus in the additional newspaper, so maybe it will be a tough one. So let's get started. Alright, let's see, a lot of 8, so let's start with 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 8 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 8, so maybe later I will continue, but let's see, with the 2, I see here a 2. Can I do something with the 2? No, I think later. I thought I missed here for the 2. Alright. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here a 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. But I see here a 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Maybe can do something with the yeah, in this row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 6, and 5. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, should be here. 1 and 5 are left. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 7, 2, and the 4. No, I cannot continue. I need more information. This big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. I see there a 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, should be this one. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. These 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 9, and 3. I see here 1 and a 9, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. So 1 digit left for the 3. Here we have 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. That means here cannot be a 1 and a 9. 1 or the 9. The 9 should be here because we see here 9 in this column and 9 in that column. So the one of these 2 must be a 9, but because we have a 1 and a 9 there, I cannot place the 9 here, so the 9 should be here. 3 missing numbers, 1, 4, and 2. I see here 2, so here cannot be the 2, and here a 1, so here cannot be the 1, so the 1 and the 2 should be in one of these two boxes, 1 and the 2. That means this box should be the 4. One box left in this column for the number 1. Then the 4, 7, and 3 missing numbers here in this big square for the number 6, 4, and 7. I see here 4 and a 6, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. One digit remain, that should be the 7. Here 6 and 4, 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Then 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. The 7. Yes, 4 in this column, 4. In the middle column, so on the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1. In these two boxes, there are 1, so no 1. In those two boxes, 1 box remains for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers here. The 1 and the 9 are missing. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 and 2. Now we have a missing number here. This should be a 4, because 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. These 3 numbers, can I do something? The missing numbers are 9, 3, and 2. I see here 9, so no 9 there. Here also 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. 3, yes. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in the third row, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above, we have a 3 over there. So in this row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers now. In this first row for the numbers 6 and 6 and 5. 6 and 5 are missing. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. And I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 8 cannot fill this, but those 2 were the 3. 2, 3, yes. 2, 3, 2, 3. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. 7. Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 is here. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One missing number in the middle column for the number 3. One missing number in this column for the number 2. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. I do not know. So in this column, we have a 2 here. In the column next, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 box remains for this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left for this big square for the number 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in the last column for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle column row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I need more. Yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle. In the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 missing number in the second column for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 7. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 4 and 7. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes for a Sudoku with 3 stars. I thought that was a tough one, but it's an easy 3-star puzzle. Anyway, thank you for watching again, and if you like this, thumbs up or thumbs down. Download the PDF file if you want to solve it or make it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit the bell if you want to notify by YouTube for new Sudokus. Rest me to say thank you again, and I will see you in a minute for a tectonic puzzle, the last one of today. Thank you and bye-bye.